Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to ETL Online's Community Portal tutorial. I'm here to familiarize you with it. I'm just going to click on the portal on the website and then I'm going to click join because I want to become a member. Here I have two options. If I'm already a member, then I can sign in or I can create my account. Another option is to use the third-party verification or just continue with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn. And if you have an Apple ID, then this option is for that. So I'm going to continue with Google and I'm going to choose an account. We're going to sign in from this account and we're in. On my right, this checklist actually allows me to welcome myself on ETL. I can answer what my idea of a mentor is. I can fill out my profile. I can cheer something. I can introduce myself, adjust my notifications, or download the app. It's basically a checklist to get yourself started on the portal. But for now, we're going to close this and I'm going to move on to these blinking icons over here and I'm going to navigate to Welcome to ETL Online. Now, what is ETL Online? It's basically Pakistan's largest online tech community. We have our vision and mission statement here, our approach, as well as our hosts and moderators. You can learn about the team over here. We're still in the general section. Moving on to announcements. I just announced that we have a blockchain bootcamp coming up. It's at 9 p.m. Now this is the announcement channel, so the feeds will have all the announcements that we have running and the members will have all the members that are in this announcement group. You can filter the members as top members, by location, by newest, or you can actually check out the hosts of this channel. These are the hosts. This feed will have all the announcements that we have made so far. Moving on to My Voice. Do note that we are still in the general section. My Voice is basically your place to shine. Use this space to share your ideas, articles, or any content that you think is going to help the community. Again, you can check out all the members over here. You can chat in this section, or you can just utilize the general feed. Let's post something. I can share what's on my mind. I can tag my post with a hashtag, similar to the way we do on Facebook. I can upload a video or a photo, or I can create a poll as well. Next up, we have the Nice to Meet You section. You can post about yourself over here. Use this space to show off your work or make connections. This is your networking space. Tell us about yourself and we'll reply. We also have the mentor profiles over here, but this space is just getting started. You'll soon see all the profiles of our 35 plus mentors over here. Then we have the community rules, which are basically the do's and don'ts of the community. Control-Alt-Excel is the space that you should be looking out for. The reason is all our events, our upcoming events, and all our past events have been posted over here. Right now we have this event, and I can actually RSVP to this because I will be going. I can just close this and move on to our full snack Sunday. And then we have Ask the Expert section. Now the thing to note over here is that Control-Alt-Excel has a calendar of events. We have the attendees and we have the feed. You can like the comments as well. You can also ask questions over here. Then we have the ML and data science space, including a lot more in our learning resources. Learning resources are a collection of spaces that have details of all the spaces that we're going to discuss. We have space about artificial intelligence, data science, cloud, Web3, design, Internet of Things, Web Full Stack, React.js, Python, software engineering, embedded systems, and JavaScript. Now you can also look over here and see that some spaces you have already joined by default, and some spaces you can request access and then join. I'm interested in full stack development, React.js, and of course JavaScript, because I am a web developer. So now I can look at all my spaces over here. Let's go into JavaScript. Since I was the one who wrote this, I'm just going to like it because I already know what the overlooked magic of a primitive wrapper is. Moving on, we have an open source initiative on our platform as well. This is the Project Idea Bank space where we discuss our open source ideas. These are the discussion forums where you can post, chat, or discover stuff. Now let's move on to our career counseling section. I would like to join this because I'm interested in careers. So all events related to career counseling and every new resource that we post over here will be available in career counseling. Then we have some useful links over here. Lead code to practice programming, free code camp for free resources to learn about programming and other various technologies. Pluralsight is another resource. The Odin project is a great way to challenge yourself if you're into web development. Another thing that we have on top here is Discovery, Feed, Events, and Members. The Discovery channel will have everything that is happening on the portal in a carousel-based slideshow. You can just slide and look at stuff that has been posted. These are all our top posts and our top members. You can also see more over here. Members near you are based on the location that you set up on your account from over here. These are all the members that are near you right now. And these are all the featured posts that we have set up for quick introductions. We have some upcoming events. Tomorrow we have a Career in Cybersecurity event. I'm really excited for this one. Next up, on 5th December, we have Path to US Immigration Work Visa. This is also something that I'm looking forward to, so I'm just going to click on Going. Next up, we have Feed. Feed is a place that will have all the posts. Everything that we post in Feed will be shown over here. Here we have all the members that have registered themselves on the portal. We have top members. These are the top contributors on our portal. Get yourself ready and post on the portal to get yourself featured over here. These are the members in the AI/ML space, data engineering, new members, data science, full stack web development. Yes, I'm a full stack developer. JavaScript is weird, but I'm weirder. Now suppose I have a question about artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is the place where I can do that. These are the featured posts that we have. This is a space where I can ask about or post about anything. If I have a question, just like this one over here, I can post it and it will be answered. Then we have a discovery section. All the top posts in AI and data science are featured. Same is the case with Python. If you're new to learning Python, you have a feed, the members, the discovery, and the events section. Let's go into Internet of Things, the IoT section. We have a feed going up. Our SME, or the subject matter expert, has shared some resources over here. Discovery again entails the top posts that we have in this space. Your questions will of course go over here. You can add a GIF or a GIF, however you want to spell it, or you can add a photo or a file with it, similar to the way I did before. Again, you can look at the members of each space. Somebody shared a few interesting articles on React.js. Yes, here, Bilal Shahid shared some very insightful articles on React. All these posts will also be available on the Discovery channel. We don't have any upcoming events in React.js, but we can ask questions over here, and you can reply to them as well. This is just a brief introduction to the portal. Feel free to join in, post about stuff, share your personal victories, your GitHub reposts, any projects that you're working on. And finally, welcome to ETL Online.